behind this layer or this picture, I've got a text and a rectangular shape that I want to move to this location. However, as soon as I select these two and I try to move, Photoshop instead moves this picture. So one of the solutions that I use to solve this problem is when this picture is selected, that picture is highlighted in your layers. All you got to do is to select the lock icon to lock this layer. Now, if you go and select the other two layers that you want to move, and now if you go again here and try to move, you could easily move it. Another way would have been selecting the layers that you want to move again and making sure they come on the top of the layer that keeps selected. And now if I select it, I can easily again move it. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.